All right, guys. So I was thinking of doing a local Google Guide giveaway, but I was thinking, tossing around ideas. What could I give away? So 3D printers nobody likes. Um, I don't want to give away any fancy RC car because people don't appreciate it and they end up all in the landfill and stuff like that. So the only thing I'm thinking of that's popular enough that maybe um, both girls and boys may like, but possibly I would kind of prefer to give it to a girl because there's not enough girls in the sport, right? Usually you think about a drone, you think about a dude, yeah. So it'd be cooler if we could bring some girls into the hobby. So I'm thinking of doing a local giveaway, and we'll just have to figure out how to do it. Again, I'd rather do it where I live in Irvine, but I'm pretty sure that Susan W. will hide this video and nobody will see it. So let's see what happens.
Likey